Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this episode 12th of our sketchbook series, we are going to do a circular geometric mandala which will be in the shape of a fan. And inside, for the details, we are going to shift a little away from our regular mandala patterns. We are going to add Zentangle-inspired details inside the mandala. So let's start, and if you are new to the series, all you need to do is get the sketchbook and hop in. And then you can start right from video 1. All of the videos are available in the playlist. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video so that you do not miss any upcoming videos. So here is a general layout of our mandala. It will be a 30-degree grid and it will be a fan design which we are going to draw using geometry. So this is a general rough layout of the shape we are going to achieve by the end of this video. So please make sure to watch till the end, and then you can learn how to draw this geometrical design on any size and on any papers. So for the grid today, we are going to use our protractor, and the measurement will be 30 degrees for each line. So just like we draw grids for all mandalas, the process will be same, but you will draw 30 degrees of grid lines, all using pencil. After drawing the main outermost circle and the base line, we'll plot 30-degree points, and then you are going to draw the grid lines directly using your fine liners. Next, you will take 2.5 cm on your rounder and draw a circle using pencil. Then you will place your fine liners in the rounder, and we are going to draw arcs from this point to the next previous line here. So for that, we are going to place the point of our rounder at this point where the circle meets the grid line. At this point we place the point. Here we will place the pen on top and we will draw a small arc. So we are going to repeat that for all of the lines. Like this, starting from the top to the next line, and the placement for a point will be here. Next, what we will do is we will place the point here at this cross section, again same points, but this time instead of drawing the arc on the same line, we are going to draw on the next one. Okay, so you will place your rounders like this. The point will be here at the same cross section point, but the arc will be on next line, and it will be from this point to the next arc. Okay, I'll just quickly draw one and show. And if you want, you can draw this arc with your hand also, if you are comfortable with drawing freehand. So like this, we are going to draw arcs. So you can see our fan shape is ready now. Now what you have to do is erase all of the pencil work that we have done. Next, you will take your fine liner and we will darken all of these small triangular spaces. Now we are going to add Zentangle patterns in all of the sections one by one. So total there are 12 sections in this fan. So we are going to do 6 patterns. So what we are going to do is we do one here and we repeat it again in the opposite one. So we are going to repeat the patterns in the opposite sections. So total 6 patterns we are going to learn. So first we are going to do an overlapped semicircles pattern. I'll show you on a rough sheet first what it looks like. So for example, there is this shape we have here, right? So first we add a semicircle, then a border to it, and then we fill up the bottom shape. Then again I will continue the same pattern. So it is like a fish scales pattern. You keep adding more semicircles on top of each other like this. Then we add more smaller ones inside, and the smaller ones will be dark. Okay, so like this we are going to add patterns in two sections of the mandala which are opposite to each other. So if we go with first this one, then the opposite is the bottom one right here. The fine liner I'm using is of 0.4 size. Like this, you are going to repeat the same pattern in the section below it. Next we will do continuous layer of petals starting from the center. For some micro spaces where petals will not fit, you can add small circles. They don't have to be all of same size, just make them however you like. And inside the petals you can add dots and lines if you want. Same for the opposite side also. Here is the close-up. In the next section, we are going to draw wavy lines. Draw 2 or 3 wavy lines like this, which run all across the section, starting from center to the end. And then we will connect these with the curves. Fill the spaces in between using curves like these. Next we will do a very simple pattern using just straight lines. So there will be overlapped lines on top of each other. So you draw one line like this, continue with more, fill in the space. Then you draw one from the opposite direction. So like this you are going to draw interstitch type lines. So 3 lines per pattern. For bigger spaces you can do 4 lines also. Same on the opposite end. Next we will do spirals inside. If you want, you can also do any other pattern of your own choice. It is not a problem. For the last one, you will take your scale and draw a few lines inside the space. Now I think you should draw in both the sections, just like we draw the grid lines, so that it will be easier. And we will add just very small dark lines inside, which will be at alternate heights. So these Zentangle patterns do not have any rule. You just have to use your creativity and draw anything that you like. You just have to make sure that no two of these dark lines are touching each other. As you can see, all of them are away from each other, right? No two lines are touching each other. So like this, our mandala here is complete. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and the process of learning a very different mandala today. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and comment below whether you have tried Zentangle artwork before. Also, with every video of the sketchbook series, I'm trying to create something new for each mandala. So please you can show your appreciation for the videos by just simply pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel. So thank you all for your support and for watching till the end. Complete yours and share, and have a nice day.